Today we are going to make a chocolate vanilla coffee milkshake. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to add the instant coffee. We're going to make 2 big cups of it, so I'm going to actually do the coffee individually. So we're going to add 2 spoons of coffee to this, and then we're going to put some hot water in it. Just enough, just enough water to melt the coffee. And we're going to add it to our cup. We're going to do that again for this cup. For the second cup. Okay, we have approximately the same amount in both. Now we're going to add some silk cashew milk. We're going to fill the cups about halfway. And then we're going to add 2 vanilla ice cream bars each. We're going to stir it around a little bit. And then we're going to top it off with some classic French vanilla International Delight cream. And stir it again. And then to the very top, we're going to add a spoonful of caramel.
Hello, Editing Lacey here. Initially, I was going to make iced coffee, but then I realized that we didn't have any ice cubes. I did remember that we had ice cream bars, so I decided that we would make coffee milkshakes instead. These tasted so good, but if I was to make them again, I would either add 2 or 3 more ice cream bars to each drink or only use 1 scoop of coffee. I would use smaller cups and about half the milk.
There you have it. 2 ice cream drinks.
And of course, we can't forget to add reusable straws. Thanks for watching.